Straight from a party, we're all on a roll tonight.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, I will be doing my press-on nails. This is a process that I have learned from one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is I Am Faye, and she does hair content and vlogging right now. And yeah, so I have learned this from her, and I tweaked it just a little bit. So we got some dehydrator, and then we have the cuticle remover, and then we have some acetone, and they're press-on nails. Okay, so I'm just going through the nails and seeing which one I want. I don't like the long ones because I do hair, and I type a lot. And I can't type with long nails. I can't do a lot with long nails. So, but I do like to look at my nails. It keeps me happy. It keeps me just something to look at and to make sure that I don't bite my nails. Okay. So I like Kiss, and I do like Dollar Tree. Because I am getting the shorter ones, Dollar Tree is good. If you get the longer ones, Dollar Tree isn't. If you get the longer ones from Kiss, Kiss does have acrylics press-ons, and they do have like wider nail bed people, and then they do have yeah, they have all types of things. So so you can do the Dollar Tree, the $1.25, $1.25, or you can do like the 5, 6, 7. I normally get them on sale like under $5 nail sets, and it's because after buying all this stuff, I think I spent maybe $30, not including the nails, because I buy nails as I see them. But for the dehydrator, for the cuticle remover, for the manicure set, and then for some for the Dollar Tree super glue. That's the trick. I use the Dollar Tree super glue. For the Dollar Tree super glue is like it's under $30 for those. I went to Sally's Beauty to get the dehydrator, and then the cuticle remover from there. They was trying to give me a whole set. I'm like, I don't want a whole set. I just want that. So yeah, so I got those things. So the whole thing for keeping the press-on nails on longer than a week, they do last like 2 weeks if you do what you're supposed to do. First, wash your hands. Second, clean your nails with acetone. Third, make sure you use the dehydrator after you use the cuticle remover. So third, use the cuticle remover. Fourth, use the dehydrator. Let it dry. And then the special part that is needed is the liquid acrylic bond. That's what you need, because that's what keeps the nail on, along with the actual nail glue or super glue, however you want to do it. And no, it has not, and I mean it has not damaged my nails at all. Actually, it's gotten them stronger. It has gotten them to be longer. I am a nail biter by anxiety. And so when I haven't taken my anxiety medicine, I tend to bite my nails. However, if I have nails on, I don't do that. So I really hope y'all enjoy the process, and I hope that this motivates you to do something for you on a budget, y'all. On a budget. I know for me, when I go get my nails done, it's the lady that I go to is an in-home nail place. It's $20 because my nails are short. My nails are never long. If I actually go to an actual nail salon, it's like 30 to 40 bucks. And just by me just getting the nails, I'm maybe spending maybe $10 at the most for me to do my own nails. And if one pops off, I always have nail glue with me, so I make sure I have a nail glue and file with me just in case one does pop off, which it hardly ever does. And I refile it down and put the glue on the nail, put the new glue on the on my nail and then put them together. And yeah, you don't press hard, but you add pressure, but you don't press hard. If you press hard, you're going to end up pushing the glue out, and you don't want to do that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all see the process. I'm working on getting some things. I know this is kind of tacky, but I tried to, you know, have somewhere nice to have my nails on so y'all can see my hands and stuff. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this content. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Turn the red to gray to join the family. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. We really truly enjoy y'all, and thank y'all so much for watching this. Don't forget to just comment down below what y'all doing today while y'all watching this video. Do you get your nails done? What do you do for your self-care? This is self-care for me. It's another way of me being creative, other than just painting and cleaning my house, decluttering, and doing hair. It's another way of me having another output of creativity. So I really hope that y'all enjoy, and we'll go ahead and get to the music. I've been talking way too long, as always. Okay, so I apologize about the angle. This is what happened when you actually push it all the way, zoom it all the way in. I forget to put it back. But anyways, right now I'm using a cuticle cutter, and I'm making sure that I have everything nice and cleaned up, so that when you do put the nail on, you can go under your, not nail bed, but you can go under that little bit of skin cuticle right there, just to make sure that it's embedded and it looks like your nail, versus just having it on top of your nail. You can go under, and yeah, so that's what that is. So I just wanted to let y'all know I'm apologizing about the angle, because I did not zoom back out, and I'm noticing that as I am editing.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a
All right, so now I have the 2-in-1 dehydrator and cleansing wipe, and so now I'm going to go ahead and dehydrate that nail, because when you dehydrate the nail, you take all the excess oils off, and you need to do that for the glue and the liquid acrylic bond to actually bond to your nail, to add the press on nail to your nail, just to make sure that it has a sturdy base and that it stays on for a while. So that's why we're doing this process. And then after this, we're gonna go ahead and size up the nails to make sure that they are good, they are the right size for your nail. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and rough up the inside of the press on nail, and then we're going to rough up your nail just a little bit, just take just the surface off, not a lot. And then we do the other process of the glue, the liquid acrylic, and then the glue to get all that done. But right now we're just sizing up and seeing what sizes I want. I still clip these down because, once again, I don't like my nails long. To me, I can't function. I'm not able to do what I need to do when it comes to typing, because y'all know I'm in school for my bachelor's. Y'all already know I do a lot of hair care with the girls and with my new business now. And so with all that, I need for my nails to, 1, look good, 2, be short enough to function, and 3, just be able to be on for long enough so I don't have to keep having to put nails on and having to spend too much money, just so my nails and my hands can look good to me. All right, so let's get back to this music.
Something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your
So as you can see now, I am making sure that the inside of the nail is nice and rough. And then before I do that though, I put the acrylic liquid on top of it. Give it time. That's why I'm roughing it up to dry. While I'm doing that, then add a drop of nail glue. Then I add a drop of nail glue on my nail and on the press-on nail. Then I add it on. I want to thank y'all so much for clicking on this video today, and I'm hoping that we have given you some DIY inspiration to do your own nails. Just, you know, just something to do, you know, on a budget. If you are on a budget, I know we are still in the beginning of the first quarter of 2023, and a lot of us are trying to make sure we have that money for the second quarters to go do a lot of traveling and things like that. And so I just want to make sure that, you know, we are able to give you the inspiration and the motivation to be able to do things on your own, on a budget, to save a little bit of coin, okay? For we are the family that love life and having fun, and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. I want to thank y'all so much for spending your precious time with us, because time is most definitely precious. And I want to make sure that you remember to click the description box down below, turn the red to gray to join our wonderful family. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and then don't forget to comment down below. Did I give you inspiration to do your own nail? I hope I did. So y'all have a blessed day. This video will be ending in a couple more minutes, so stay to the end. Love you guys. Y'all be blessed.